Hi, everyone. The Social Security Fairness Act, which President Biden signed on January 5th, 2025, eliminates two regulations, the windfall elimination provision and the government pension offset. As of today, there have been no updates from Social Security. They have stated that they will provide updates soon when any new information becomes available. Social Security is still reviewing how to implement this law, so they have not provided a specific timeline for when beneficiaries, that means those of you affected by these two provisions, will receive the retroactive payments dating back to January 2024 as outlined in the Social Security Fairness Act. This means the amount many of you will receive could be quite substantial, since getting back at least 12 months could be a large sum. But the question remains, how much will it be after taxes? Will they deduct a percentage for taxes? Will Social Security withhold taxes from this payment, or will they tax it the same way they tax the benefits we currently receive? What I mean is this. As you know, whether the Social Security benefits you receive are taxed or not depends on your total income for the year, which the IRS calls provisional income. This is how it's determined. To figure out your provisional income, you take 50% of your Social Security benefits for the year and add it to your other income if you have it. For example, if you have non-taxable interest income, you add that in along with any adjusted gross income. This total is called your provisional income. Depending on how much this provisional income falls into, it will determine whether your Social Security benefits are taxable or not. You can take a look over here to see more information on what is included in provisional income. When you have your provisional income, then you can compare it with these numbers from the IRS to see if your Social Security benefits are subject to federal taxes or not. If you live in a state that also taxes Social Security benefits, then you may also have to pay state taxes. Okay, this chart shows that if you file taxes as single and your provisional income is $25,000 or less, then you don't pay any taxes on your Social Security benefits. But if your provisional income is between $25,001 and $34,000, you may have to pay taxes on up to 50% of your Social Security benefits for the year. And if your provisional income is over $34,000, you could be taxed on up to 85% of your Social Security benefits for the year. If you file taxes as married filing jointly, whether only one person or both spouses receive Social Security benefits, the provisional income is calculated for both. If your provisional income is $32,000 or less, you don't have to pay any taxes on your Social Security benefits. If your provisional income is between $32,001 and $44,000, you may have to pay taxes on up to 50% of your Social Security benefits. And if your provisional income is over $44,000, you could be taxed on up to 85% of your Social Security benefits. Therefore, when Social Security eventually sends out these retroactive payments, these benefits could be affected. This means the amount you receive may not be the full amount because taxes could impact the final payment, making it smaller. This is something I want to update here for those of you who will receive these benefits because you have been affected by the windfall elimination provision and or the government pension offset. So when you receive these retroactive payments, please be aware and check if your benefits are impacted by taxes. Because if Social Security sends you the payment without withholding taxes in advance, it could affect the amount you ultimately receive. So that's a little more I wanted to share on this topic. We'll see you again in the next videos. Thank you very much.